A new day and a new video for you guys about tile worker. He is an experienced tile worker who installs floors and walls tiles in homes, offices and shops. He works with the ceramic, marble, granite and bathroom tiles. He measures carefully, cut tiles properly and mixes them neatly. He makes sure the tiles are straight, strong, and clean. He completed his work on time and always focuses on the good quality. He can handle both new constructions and renovation project. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.